Good evening, Mary, as I am right now in the carpenter area for the blackboard. The plywood washboard, that is the blackboard painted here at the carpenter's zone right in Gain. My decision is to take this blackboard tomorrow morning at the school so that we can at least space it for grade 2 and take that small one to the ECD. The first video was not very clear. As you can see, this is the new blackboard board at the carpenter site here in Gain. Enjoying Gain, this is Gain. This blackboard is going to put in grade 2 tomorrow morning or around 10 o'clock in the school. Enjoy the board. Say the blackboard in grade 2 is going to move to ECD for support, because in ECD there was no blackboard. So enjoy the blackboard, Mary. As I speak to you, that is the donkey cart who just brought the board right now in the school. That is the new blackboard coming inside the Lower Basic School. This board will be pasted in grade 2 permanently to assist them. That is the new board and painted from Gain right now. Then we will be waiting for the carpenter to come and install it, take the other one out to ECD and repaint the board of grade 5 and 6. Enjoy the Dafa environment with the new board coming up. Thank you sponsors for helping us to get new board for our class, grade 2 and ECD, and repaint our other boards. Thank you for the 7,000 rendered to do those renovations in the school. This is the school environment. But take the board to grade 2 now. Take it to grade 2. They are taking the board to grade 2 now. We are waiting for the carpenter to come and do the rest. Okay. How's the afternoon? Right now the boards are in the school. That is the carpenter. He is trying to fix this new board in this class. This is the class of grade 2 in the morning and grade 4 in the afternoon. That is the standard board. They are fixing that one right now. The other board which was there is this one. We decided to use this one for the ECD, and where it's going to be repainted back as normal. The ECD will use this one with a stunner. Enjoy the board. When this one is fixed, we will start the repainting of the small board for ECD. We will also repaint grade 5 and 6. Enjoy the carpenter here fixing the board. So therefore we want to thank sponsors for the support when having this board. Enjoy the board. It's a standard blackboard. Enjoy it. This is the grade 2 classroom in the morning and grade 4 in the afternoon. This board will help the smooth examination good. Thank you once again. This is going to be the first video. Then when we enter in other class as we are just from grade 2, the small board which was in grade 2 is brought to ECD now here. This is the man trying to paint the board for ECD. He will repaint this one first. From here we will also go to grade 4. We will go to grade 5 and grade 1. Grade 1 in the morning, grade 5 in the afternoon. We will also go to grade 6 in the afternoon and grade 3 in the morning. Enjoy the ECD class. They are here sitting, but the ECD there is no classroom yet. Boys are trying to enjoy the paint. They are trying to enjoy the paint. That is the man painting the new board. Okay, look at example. Look at enjoy the man trying to paint the board. Enjoy the carpenter here painting this board. Look at the man. He's painting the ECD board which was from grade 2, trying to make it black. Enjoy it. This is the ECD board. Thank God that ECD have a new blackboard. ECD da ngeen am blackboard bu S. Am ngeen blackboard bu S. That is it. We are also very happy for getting a board to ECD towards this exam time. Enjoy the man painting. That is ECD. Then from here we will move to grade 5 and 6. I want to talk to one of their students, that is Yaya, Seka and Malimang. Malimang, and how is it? Which class are you? Grade 6. Who's your teacher? Mr. Mbalo. Who is this man? Is painting the blackboard. Do you like the way he is painting the blackboard? Grade 6 students say that they are happy that their board is going to be painted because the board was very rough, but now they will enjoy it. Thank you very much, Mary. So far, these are the videos that I have for you. Thanking all the sponsors rendering this service to repaint and have a new blackboard. Thank you for the efforts done. Finally, I will go to the office and show you the office, the new developments done in the office. As I am entering, there is also a Gambian flag around the office gate because we have two flags. As you can see right across there, there is one around the gate and there is one here. Decoration is made all over the school. That is the school environment today. A lot of work is done. Just from the ECD class. Now we are in grade 3, we are in grade 5 and grade 1 classroom. Where we are going to repaint all the blackboard. The man have started that place now. Enjoy grade 5 in the afternoon and grade 1 in the morning. This is it. Kids are enjoying the blackboard. Sage, this is your class? Yes. Which class is this? Yes. Grade 5. Grade 5, they are painting your blackboard. Yes. Do you like it? Sage, the class captain of grade 5, said he liked the way they are painting the board. That will help them to at least see writings clearly. That is the painter here in the school. Enjoy grade 5 in the afternoon and grade 3 and grade 1 in the morning. That is the class. Enjoy the class. Enjoy the environment of the class. That is the grade 3 and grade 1 and grade 5. Grade 1 in the morning, grade 5 in the afternoon. As you can see, as I am moving, we are also going to the other class, that is grade 6. Good afternoon once again, as we are just from grade 5 in the afternoon and grade 1 in the morning. We are just entering grade 3 in the morning and grade 6 in the afternoon. If you can see, this class was the NAT class where students took their exam. The sitting arrangement was like that 1-to-1. And we are also pre-painting this blackboard for smooth running. Look at the man here trying to start this one. As you can see, it was rough, but as he started painting, things are changing. Finally, this is the last board that we are going to repaint. We will repaint 3 blackboards and have a standard new blackboard at grade 2, which is already good afternoon. As I am entering, this is grade 2. That is the new blackboard board for grade 2. Enjoy it. This one is also set for repainting. This blackboard was in this class. Now we have already repainted. Now we are going to move it to ECD. It is going to be safe here because ECD, there is no classroom. They are under a set, and it's not safe to leave it there like that. That's why it is here. Then Mary with your sponsors, thank you. These are already made blackboards, the 2. Then the others, you will get the pictures maybe tomorrow as my battery is about to load. Thank you sponsors for helping us to get a standard blackboards before exam comments. Love your help, appreciate everything. Enjoy this. This is Bro Segu. Enjoy. This is grade 2 in the morning and grade 5 in the afternoon. Enjoy the class. Pins. The new blackboard that the carpenter just pasted, about 2 meters. Good morning, Mary, as I am entering in grade 1 in the morning and grade 5 in the afternoon. As today is Monday, I just want to give you the updates of the last 2 blackboards. This is grade 1. Look at that board. This board is painted newly in this class. Look at it, that is the grade 1 board. Enjoy grade 1 board, very nice now. Teachers can try it soon. Enjoy grade 1, that is grade 1 with the new board. Grade 1 in the morning and grade 5 in the afternoon. The board is very smooth now compared to before. Grade 1, how are you? Grade 1, good morning. Grade 1, good morning. Sit down. Good afternoon, Mary. How's the afternoon? Am I just entering in grade 6 in the afternoon and grade 3 in the morning. To show you the last video of that board. Enjoy grade 6. This is group 1. This is group 2. They are just having English. Look at this board. This is the last board that is painted. Enjoy the board. This is grade 6 board. Very beautiful at the moment. As I was explaining, that is the board of grade 6 in the afternoon and grade 3 in the morning. Look at the board, very beautiful. Let me just show you the class so that they can also talk to you. Grade 6, good afternoon. How is the afternoon? Now, how is your blackboard? It's very nice. And what make it nice? Because it is painted newly. Now, what